Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel for your coffee. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-resistant spatula. This simple recipe will elevate your coffee experience with a rich, homemade touch. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Watch carefully as it transforms into a beautiful amber color, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Do not walk away during this crucial step. Once your sugar mixture reaches that perfect amber hue, carefully and slowly pour in 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble up vigorously. Whisk continuously until the caramel is smooth and all the cream is fully incorporated. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Let it cool slightly before using. Allow your homemade caramel to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight jar or container. You can store this delicious coffee caramel in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks, ready to enhance your daily brew. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your rich, homemade caramel in your favorite coffee drinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.